Welcome to Wild Sourdough. I'm your host, Papa Zaw from Weird Wild Pizza. Here we make awesome recipes from sourdough starter. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. What is a sourdough starter? A sourdough starter is a fermented dough with a natural wild yeast. The yeast is naturally occurring and comes out of thin air. Wild yeast can also be found in flour. Once combined, after a few days of feeding, starter will ferment and cultivate the natural yeast and bacteria, creating your very own sourdough starter. It makes sourdough bread rise and is an alternative to dry yeast. Sourdough starter. Want to make your own sourdough starter? Check the link below. Thanks for watching Wild Sourdough. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more.